Eddie LePine at Daytona, the 61st running of the Rolex 24-hour race. And I just happened to bump into somebody that's a little strange to Daytona. We haven't seen him for a couple of years. Is Mr. Gimmi Bruni. Welcome, Jimmy. How's it feel to be back at Daytona?
Hi guys. It's always a pleasure, because normally in this period it's off season for us in Europe, and to come here it's always nice because weather is nice. It's a great race, most important race of the season at the start of the season. This year it will be for me a strange race because I will be in a different category than ever. Because now, let's say, I'm getting older, mature. I'm not anymore in GT, now I'm in a prototype. This year I will race in LMP2, and the future will be this new category, hypercar or GTP. Let's see.
And how does it feel? I mean, this is the man that won the 24-hour of Le Mans last year for Porsche, and and for Ferrari, and world champion. And now he's getting a little more mature. He's here with the P2 car. Jimmy, how's that program coming along? And are you excited? I mean, you've been in everything in a sports car. You've been in everything, and you've won in everything.
Yeah, I mean, it's obviously a new challenge, complete new challenge for me because my programs for the next few 2 years it will be a prototype car. It will be on the Porsche. I'm a Porsche works driver still. But we had some delayed on the new car delivery for Proton. I will race for Proton. So this delayed, for sure, it makes a little bit, let's say, a chaotic start of the season because we are not able to, for sure, we will not be able to start from Sebring, the WC, and IMSA, of course, Daytona. So the approach that we are doing and that I'm doing, it's starting on the LMP2 car. Get some experience. Team needs some experience because the team only raced in GT ever, never did a prototype. So we will start here in Daytona with the LMP2, and then in Europe I will do a full season in a European Le Mans series in a LMP2 car in a category Pro-Am to improve again the skill and ability on the LMP2 car. Same for me and the team. And then we are waiting finally the 963, the Porsche, and as soon as we get the car, we will go testing and we will for sure go racing. I expect some race over here in America and also in WEC, and I can't wait to drive, honestly.
Well, and you've had a lot of success with Proton over there.
Yeah, I mean,
ELMS.
We did last year. We won the championship with Chris and Lorenzo Ferrari, the other driver, and we won the GTE class. So for me, it was I could stay on GT one more year, especially in ELMS, waiting the 963, but it will not make any difference for me. The most important is to step to the new category, get ready for when the Porsche prototype is coming, and then as soon as we have this car, go racing with this.
And last year winning the 24-hour, what did that mean to you, winning that race, especially after winning it 3 times for Ferrari and going over to another manufacturer? I mean,
yeah, it was always my goal, my dream, my goal. Since I left Ferrari, my biggest goal was winning Le Mans with another manufacturer, of course, with Porsche. I was able, we finished 2 times second in 18 and 19, so we were close for the winning. And then last year it was the perfect ending story, let's say, because last year was the last year of the GT Pro category in WEC and in Le Mans, and winning for Porsche, that it was the last ever GT car or RSR in the Pro category racing with a works team. It was fantastic. I mean, I couldn't ask for better finish. I couldn't ask for a better ending story than start in a long, in the past in 2008 with the Ferrari, first Le Mans with Risi Competizione, and then with F Corse 2 times, and then winning this one. It's something special that it will be always inside me, and always I will bring nice memories. The fighting, the night they came back, and the pulling away from the other cars that they were, it was fun in Le Mans, because at the end during the race, you know, I have to pull away from the car that I've always been driving. It was the 51 car. But it's, you know, it's part of our job, and it was, like I said, a dream come true, and I was really, really happy.
Well, it's really good to have you, and we really appreciate you taking a few seconds here to share that story with us. Good luck this year, and good luck in the future. Thanks.
Thank you very much. Ciao.
Ciao.